What a market we have today. Even the S&P's up over 120 handles at one point, now only up 50 handles. Huge move in the market after whipping back and forth last couple of days. It looked like we had solid footing, and now it looks like volatility is back. /VX down 13 cents. Look at this. After trading all the way down to the lower than the averages, under 19, under 20 to 1965, we are back flirting with $20, $21, 20.75 right now. I'm going to go to a stock that has not had a lot of volatility, but has gone only straight down. And it's down more today, down another 1%. Matter of fact, you could put this trade on better than I put it on today. Low IV rank means I'm going to go directional. What am I going to do in here? I'm going to do a little bit of a Jade lizard in here. What am I doing? I'm going to January because 45 days is optimal. 57 is closest. 29 a little bit too short on this durational trade that I need. I'm selling the out-of-the-money put, the at-the-money, out-of-the-money put that has some of the most premium of all the option chains because it's closest to at-the-money. That gives me bullish delta. It gives me bullish delta of 40, a little bit too rich for my blood. So I'm going to sell the 85.90 call spread. Now, I did this trade earlier today. You can see it right here in the follow page. If you click those little lines, go to the follow page, click on just the bats if you want to, then you'll just be doing this all by what we did today. I did this at $10.96 because I sold the 180s and the 85.95. Let's go back to that trade I just looked at a moment ago. I'm doing the 85.95. There you go. Look at where it's trading, 1072, a lot higher than where I did the trade. Now, let's take a look at this because this is a good learning experience. It's down $2 now. When I did the trade, it was only down $1. Let's see how much it's moved with a $1 move in Boeing. I'm sorry, I just went to the wrong one there. Let's click on this here, go to the follow page. I apologize. I was trading it when the stock was a little over $1 higher. I got filled at $10.46. Now let's take a look at the delta on this trade. The delta on this trade is 24. On a $1 move in the stock, all things being equal, this should move about 24 or 25 cents. And it did. It did exactly that, or pretty close to it. All things being equal, volatility not expanding or changing, exact price of the stock. But you'll know that's your risk on a $1 move. As it continues going lower, this has long delta, you're going to lose money. As it goes higher, you're going to make money. Now, the markets here are a little bit wider, 15 cents. You get filled about 5 to 10 cents under mid-price on these products. I'm selling the 85 call. I'm buying the 95 call. That's defined risk. Just looking at it as a standalone trade, you're collecting well over 1/3 the width of the strikes, which gives you a probability of profit of 60%. So if you were bearish on Boeing, that might be a trade you might be looking at. And if you're bullish, I'm adding another good amount of credit here. As the stock goes lower, obviously this is going to go higher. Good opportunity for you at the market. Well, higher by about 3/4 or 5/8%, but we were up over 2% at one time on all of these indices. There's a major pullback in the market. I'm hoping they come for this pig that has not had an uptick all month long, all 2 months long, all 3 months long. As a matter of fact, the break even on this trade is just under $170 on this trade, about $1 under 170, around 169 and change. 169 and change brings us all the way down back to this gap that the stock had back in April, a number it hasn't seen in April. Could it happen today? I mean, could it happen this next 47 days? It sure can. $15 expected move, no risk to the upside, risk to the downside, under 170, just about at that expected move. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's my trade for today, and I hope you're enjoying this market because we've got a lot of volatility, two-sided action. Bulls and bears are making money. Pigs are getting slaughtered. But you know what? Everybody is able to trade at Tasty Trade. Everything, if you get the works. Sign up for the works at Tasty Trade, and then take advantage of some of that sweet, sweet cash they're giving away just for you to move your account to Tasty Trade, the #1 firm in the galaxy.